Hi everyone, nice to meet you. This is Seoul, Korea. I am Hanna. I am going to recite two Gospel according to Mark chapter 7, part 2. He went on, what comes out of a man is what makes him unclean. For from within, out of a man's heart come evil thoughts, sexual immorality, theft, murder, adultery, greed, malice, deceit, rudeness, slander, envy, arrogance, and folly. All these evil come from inside and make a man unclean. Then Jesus left that place and went to the vicinity of Tyre. He entered the house and did not want to anyone know it. Yet he could not keep his presence secret. In fact, as soon as she heard about him, a woman whose little daughter was possessed by an evil spirit came and fell at his feet. She was a Greek, born in Syria, Phoenicia. She begged Jesus to drive the demon out of her daughter. First, let the children eat all they want. He told her, for it is not right to take the children's bread and toss it to their dogs. Yes, Lord, she replied, but even the dogs under the table eat children's crumbs. Then he told her, for such reply you may go. The demon has left your daughter. She went home and found her child lying on the bed, the demon gone. Jesus left dead and Jesus left the vicinity of Tyre and went through Sidon down to the Sea of Galilee, and into the region of Decapolis. There some people brought to him a man who was deaf and could hardly talk. They begged him to place his hand on the man. After he took him aside away from the crowd, he put his finger into the man's ears, and then he spit and touched the man's tongue. He looked up to heaven and with a deep sigh said to him, Ephphatha, which means be opened. At this the man's ears were opened and his tongue was loosened. And he began to speak plainly. Jesus commanded them not to tell anyone, but the more he did so, the more they kept talking about it. People were overwhelmed with amazement. He has done everything well, they said. But he even makes a deaf speak, deaf hear, and mute speak. Thank you.